Today's Land Cruiser project, we're going to be doing the steering damper.
I have not done this myself, so this will be our first time together, but it is going to be this stabilizer arm right here, bolt up here, and bolt up here. This is looking at the Land Cruiser from the front end, with the passenger being on your left side, and this would be your driver's side. You're also going to need a pickle fork.
Alright, so you'll remove your skid plate. Hopefully it's not too big of an issue. I have a, lucky me, a oil pump cover leak, and I'm replacing that this summer, which I'm very excited about, because if you have just a side note, an oil pump or a bunch of oil on your skid plate and your belts and your front end, most likely thanks to O-Tram, you have an oil pump cover O-ring that is leaking, and so I'm really excited to go over that with you guys when I get it done in a couple months, because it's just covered up oil, and I hate oil leaks. It's just sad. Anyway, so moving on, and then we have this bolt up here we're going to remove, and this bolt back here. I believe they look like 14 millimeters. It's a 17. Those aren't too bad, actually. Complete. Take it off. Good to go. Oh, geez, that's so old. Alright, reassemble. And you'll notice that I purchased just a generic. I'm gonna purchase just a general. I've purchased on Parts Geek for $35. I'm hoping to put on a new Old Man Emu system next summer. So until then, I'll just use a generic steering damper.